A recipe with only 3 ingredients. No baking powder, no butter, and no milk. Gluten-free. What could it be? Coconut biscuits. You need 300 grams of coconut flour, 250 grams of sugar. Mix. And add 5 egg whites. Fold them in. And mix again until well incorporated. Allow the mixture to rest for about 5 minutes. Form small balls by hand. Bake in preheated conventional oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. This is a recipe for 45 biscuits. The biscuits will be ready when they get a bit golden on the outside. Let them cool completely. You can store them in a glass jar or in a tin can.